how to use the tie-dye chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you want to change a chat theme on your Facebook Messenger and you want to change this specific person's conversation into a tie-dye chat theme. All you have to do in order for you to use this specific theme on your conversation is to tap on that conversation right there and click on this eye icon on the upper corner right here. And then as we can see under customization, there is theme right here. So all we have to do is to tap on that. And now we just have to scroll down until we find tie-dye chat theme, which is right here. Once we will have located that, all we have to do is to tap on that, and we are given a preview as to how our chats will look like. Now, if we decided to use this specific chat theme, which is a tie-dye chat theme, on our Facebook Messenger conversation right here, all we have to do is to tap on select right here. And now we have changed this specific conversation's theme into a tie-dye chat theme. So that's how to use the tie-dye chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope it helped.